Creating your own YouTube videos and want to add music to them? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to add music to your YouTube videos. Now let's get started. If you don't want your videos to get flagged for copyright infringement, the best type of music to use will be royalty-free songs. There are many platforms that sell subscriptions for music to use in your videos, but those can get very expensive. YouTube makes it easy to find songs to use in your videos for free with their built-in music library. To find this, open your browser and go to youtube.com/audio library. Here you can find music and sound effects that you can add to your videos with no fees attached. You can check out suggested tracks or filter by specific genre, mood, or artist name. Click the play button to hear a preview of a track. If you like a song, you can click the star to add it to your favorites. And click the download button to download the audio file. Once you've downloaded the music or sound effects you want to use, you can add them to your video in whatever editing software you like to use. If you've already posted a video and want to add music to it, you can do that as well. Go into your YouTube studio and find the video you want to add music to. Click the pencil icon that appears when you hover over the video title. Then click Editor on the left. Click Audio. Here you can add songs from the YouTube audio library directly into videos you've already uploaded to YouTube. Just like in the main audio library window, you can browse suggested tracks, filter by genre, mood, artist, and other options, or click Your Library to see tracks you've previously added to your favorites. Click the play button to hear a preview of a song. Click the plus sign to the right of a track to add it to your video. You'll see the song added to your video's timeline. You can drag the ends of the track here to select the part of the song you want to use. And click and drag the song clip to the part of the video where you want it to play. If you click the 3 dots on the right side of the audio track, you can adjust the volume level of your selected song, see licensing info, or remove the song if you've changed your mind. You can add multiple tracks to your video if you want different songs to play at different times throughout your video. When you're finished adding songs and making edits, click Save to save your changes. Your edited YouTube video with the music added will then be processed and ready to watch, or all set to publish if you had it scheduled or private. That does it for 2 ways you can add music to your YouTube videos for free. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.